Hello everybody, it is Luke Olson Official here. Today, I've got an unboxing video. But before we get to the two items I'm going to be unboxing, let me show you this one I got during my Florida vacation. This is a Trackmaster push-along Percy. Just because I wanted to... when I got home yesterday, I immediately went to my desk and I did detailing. Painted the buffers, the white running board, I did this thing right here, and got the whistle, and there's the windows. So yeah, and let's move on to our two items. Okay, so our first item we're going to look at are two items that finally arrived in the US that I haven't seen in person before. This first one is a Trackmaster push-along Shane. You guys may already know that I use an Adventures Shane in my series, which is right there in the background, but let me get this one out of box. And just like, I was really ecstatic to see this one and the next one in US stores. Okay, finally, just happy seeing this in person. This is the Trackmaster push-along Shane. Looks really good. Really like it. Completely plastic tender. Now I'm not gonna use this Shane in my series anymore. For one reason only. Comparing Shane to an engine like Thomas, he's not that big. Let me just okay, so like oh my gosh, but you guys know what I mean. Shane's supposed to be a big, strong engine in Australia, but yet he's like the same size as Thomas, and that's just not right. Now let's compare the Trackmaster push-along Shane to this Thomas. That's much better. Yes, Shane, you get a bro fist. So, yeah, this one's gonna be going in the extras shelf in my collection. On to the next one. And our last item tonight is Trackmaster push-along Yongbao of China. Now, I already have a Trackmaster Yongbao, but I'm not going to use that in my series because I need like a die-cast version of Yongbao, like either Take and Play Adventures or Trackmaster push-along. But yet, I was so shocked to find this at my Walmart, along with like Emily and Gordon. But I'm still waiting for Henry to arrive, because like so far these engines have only been in like international states. And I know someone, like I saw a YouTube video showing like someone that might have been the first person who ever got Yongbao in Trackmaster push-along. So there's Yongbao. My first impressions are, he actually looks really good. Unlike the Trackmaster push-along version, unlike the Trackmaster version of Yongbao, they actually got the mask painted. That's really good. That's a really good start off to this model. It's got his Chinese logos right there, and it's got that tiger, which could be like the eye of a tiger. I can actually feel the tiger, unlike the Trackmaster version. And, the face looks pretty good, but I also wish like I was expecting a smile face from Yongbao. But besides that, he's still a really great model. So, I'll see you all later for the next video.